fart in front of him.
I did? You say something?
No, not me.
Huh?
Are you serious?
Do what?
Are you serious?
Am I what?
Are you serious?
About what?
Every time I just walk past him, he just keeps farting.